Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so for today, we have the iPhone XS right here, and a big shout out to Carlos S Tech for hooking it up and allowing me to use this device. Really cool dude. You guys should check out his channel. I'll link his channel in the description for you guys, just real quick. But anyways, since we are cooped up in our homes, I wanted to go through all the devices that I currently have on me that I'm using, and the iPhone XS is one of them. Now, this is a little bit of a different spin, as I currently use the iPhone 7 as my daily driver. I do want to tell you guys just my experiences with the iPhone XS. Now, spec-wise, 5.8-inch display. It has a water and dust resistance, just to name a few things here. Was a 2658 milliamp hour battery. No headphone jack, as it requires, using a dongle with it. But it also has wireless charging, and the build quality on this is pretty solid. I'd still get a little paranoid with it, just the way that it's built, that I don't want to drop it. So I do wrap it up in a case, keep it protected. It does have a screen protector on it, so that's what you guys see that is looking a little damaged. It's actually the screen protector, not the screen itself, because I do want to take care of this device. It's a really nice device. It's really nice looking. So it is currently on iOS 13.4. For the processor chip, it is the A12 Bionic chip. This is a 64 gigabyte variant. There is a 256 and a 512. All models have 4 gigabytes of RAM. And so that's just some of the specs really about it. Now, this device, like I said, very premium feeling. You do want to put a case on it, at least coming from me. I know in its glory, it would be dope to just rock it the way it is. But again, this is kind of an expensive phone for what I'm used to. I mean, on the Android side, the Pixel 3 is the most expensive phone that I have on the Android side of things. And then the XS would be the most expensive on the iPhone side of things. But nonetheless, using this without having Touch ID like on my iPhone 7, the Face ID is actually pretty quick. I do have to give it that. It's actually pretty cool to use, and just, using it was pretty solid. I mean, every time I picked the phone up and it would just recognize my face and unlock, that was pretty solid. It is very snappy, I will say that. Very well optimized. So I don't think you would have such headaches using the device if you were to use it day to day. And I do have to say that it's also well optimized for the battery. Even though the battery is a 2658 milliamp hour battery, this device to me felt like it had a 3200 to a 3500 milliamp hour battery. And that's just because how you use it, it's well optimized. So it sips on the battery and doesn't drain it so fast. So that's actually pretty cool. When it comes to the camera, photos and videos are solid. Don't get me wrong now, okay? For the photos, it kindly lacks behind the Pixel 3 in certain areas, but does very well in certain areas. So really, it's just all about preferences when you really compare the differences between the cameras. But the iPhone XS is no slouch when it comes to photography. Videography is actually where it's pretty solid at, and iPhones have been really good at taking videos and making videos. So that's something that hands down, of course, obviously is above my Pixel 3, but it's good to have. And you do get a lot of options with it as far as recording video in 60 frames per second to get that more floating, smooth feel and look to it. So, but yeah, other than that, that's just my update thoughts about the iPhone XS. If you guys enjoyed today's video, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button to let me know. If you just subscribed, thanks for doing so. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And that is it. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. And as always, aloha.